Hey, what's going on, everybody? Back on the water. We are doing a like 6.5 mile float today. We've done sections of this river, but we are going to piece it all together today. Out with the crew. We got Brayman and Fish Finding Fern. He hadn't been bass fishing in a hot minute, so excited to get him out here. See if we can get on a big toad today. So the spawn is probably on. Things are getting pretty warm here in Texas. I have 81 and we've had pretty warm weather this whole week, so hoping things are good. Kind of a funny thing, when we were putting in, there was a group of people that were doing a trash pickup. So the lady that was running it thought we were part of the crew, and she was asking for our name and introduced ourselves, but told her, we're just out kayak fishing. But she did give us a pretty sweet trash bag. Let me show it to you guys. So that's the trash bag that they gave us. So we said, you know what, we'll fish and we'll pick up trash if we see it along the way. So do your part if you're ever out on the river. Pick up some trash if you can, 'cause these are the only rivers we have. Beautiful day out today. Not a cloud in the sky, a little bit of wind. Might be tough, but it's just great to be out. But get you guys on the GoPro, see if we can get into them. Well, we're doing it, boys. It's been a while since the trio's been together.
Yeah.
On what?
The Ned.
Dang it. I'm gonna have to steal a Ned from you.
First one on the rod. First one of the day.
I was talking to him, he has these badass pair of shoes, so I was asking him what shoes they are. I wrote them down.
What did they look like? That was nice about them.
They had shoelaces, they drained really well, and then first squad. All right. They just look like a high quality shoe. Not bad for a
Oh yeah.
little chunky guy. First fish for me. He's eating. Get a little measurement on him real quick. $14. We'll let him go. Fern, you were right. You probably were getting. You were getting destroyed in there. That's where I got those lure knockers from.
Online?
Yeah.
They got a bunch of clearance of like online only.
No. Dude, is this a rod?
Oh my God, Brayman, you caught a rod, and it has a bait on it too. Look at us doing our part.
Hey.
What did we catch here?
There's a fish on it! There's a crank on there?
Yeah. Old Zebco.
Brand new, look at it. Still wrapped in the plastic.
We're doing our part. We're cleaning up the river. See, they're not getting the bottom like we are.
Dude, might have been lost today by the looks of it. Little oil, man, that thing will be brand new. I'm gonna be throwing this crank. Alright, 2 fish and 1 Zebco. Not bad, not bad. I was telling my sister, like, the internet companies, like, for new service, they're bend over backwards for you, but once you're a customer or you're not a customer, they don't fucking care.
They don't give a shit about you anymore.
But yeah, setting up service, usually they rush out.
Alright, Fern.
I'm trying, bro.
Smallest of the day.
You're winning so far. You don't have to have it.
Nice.
That's where you were going too, Fern.
Yeah. Me, I always catch my fish.
Here, they all have red eyes. They've been smoking the devil's lettuce. Poached Fern spot. He was casting, looked too good. Windy. I didn't check the wind forecast today. That's usually on my docket of stuff to do. Brayman, I'm rivaling your smallest here.
Looks like swim bait territory.
Oh, actually, I had something I was gonna put on that I never throw.
What are you gonna put on?
This little perch. I think I'm gonna put it on now. This little perch thing.
Oh, nice.
For my cranks.
That special bush?
Yeah.
Yeah, special bush.
For my cranks, I always put one of those swivel quick releases on. And I'm more likely to try something else because it's like like you saw me 2 seconds to switch them out. I've never caught anything on this. Oh shit!
I've thrown it a couple times too. I've thrown one like it.
I'm on.
Oh, there it is. He's like, I never caught it.
Yeah, dude, I just said that.
Okay.
Paying attention. Alright guys, clean up the shampoo.
Hey, oh, Garnier Fructis.
We got Pert Plus.
Brayman, you got all the hair, bro. You're the only one that has hair.
It's my brand. What do you know? There's a lighter right here I'm gonna pick up.
We're doing it, guys. We're doing it. Well, Brayman's doing it. You're the only one that's found any trash.
Yeah. Yeah, you guys aren't associated with me. You guys didn't even find a pole yet. This lighter will work by the time we get off. Keep an eye out for the conditioner, because right now I just have shampoo.
Hey, from his own 20. Oh, I found a piece of styrofoam. Look at this. Old, it looks like wood, but it's styrofoam from forever ago.
When was the last time anyone caught a fish? Like, it's been hours.
Fern, I think, was the last person to catch a fish. That was hours ago.
I haven't got a bite in at least an hour.
Oh, well over that.
I mean, we've been passing good water. I mean, we've been fishing good water.
Yes! 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 That is a fish! 100%! They exist! Holy sh! It's not big. But it's a fish. Brayman, look at him! Look at him! Look at him! It's been like 2.5 hours since we've caught a fish. Whew! It's not big, but Fern?
Yeah. Oh, he's a big one, but I'm stuck.
Get in there! Brayman, get in there! Help him out!
I thought he was bigger than that. It might have been the branch.
Team effort!
Fern's fish right here?
You can take all the credit or what?
No.
You want to put him back in the water and see if you can really catch him? I thought we were going to have way more log jams. I thought we were going to have like 2 or 3. Wow. And the water's up. We might be able just to sneak by right now. There we go. Yep. Not bad either.
Good one?
Well, take that back. It's tiny. But it is a fish. I am indeed catching a fish. We're catching fish. Still, thank God.
Been out here struggling. Hours. I don't think I've caught a fish in a long time. First one in a long time. Pretty good size. Put up a real good fight. Happy with this one. Let him go. You see that?
Yeah.
First one in for fucking ever. Dude, he put up a real good fight on the ultralight. Very satisfied with that fight.
Yeah, that was probably like a 12 to 14-ish.
I probably should have measured him, but dude, he was fighting and pulling and tugging.
Well, this about wraps it up for the day. We did 6.5 miles. The bite got pretty tough there in the middle of the day. We anticipated, I think, a little bit better of a bite middle of the day, but high sun and no clouds, no wind either. I don't think did us any favors, but we're gonna put in like 0.002 miles and call it a day. Awesome that people are out here cleaning up the rivers. We did our best to find trash, but there was no trash to be found, so thanks to those folks that really put in the work. And the river was up much higher than last time, so I'm assuming a lot of that trash has been pushed down. And oh, Brevin got one little tiny more, but we're like I said, gonna get down to the end, put the kayaks up. And again, if you're new here, want to watch more kayak camping, kayak fishing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.